I'm Denella Ri'chard. I've made a career traveling the world. I've worked for some of the biggest names in travel, and now I've traded in my business suit for a swimsuit. Swimming with the sharks, swinging at the edge of the world, throwing back a few shots, or shall I say spirits. Ooh. Eating some of the best cuisine, and even making a few furry friends along the way. I invite you to come along with me and discover the world. The New York Times named this city one of the top 45 places to go in the world. And it's no wonder, because it's tucked between the mountains of southeast Tennessee and it runs along the beautiful Tennessee River. So come along with me to Chattanooga, one of America's most breathtaking cities. Located atop Lookout Mountain and 6 miles from downtown Chattanooga is Rock City. It's known for its ancient rock formations, over 400 native plant species, and you can even see 7 states from the panoramic views here. Let's go check it out. Jacob, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Now, I am told you guys are the kings of fun out here.
Oh, yeah, we definitely are.
So tell me, what exactly do you do?
So we drive these swing cars. They're pretty cool little vehicles, very interesting design. Made in France. We're the first distributors in North America.
So where are we going?
We're going up the side of Lookout Mountain.
Okay. All right, and about how long is the drive or the tour today?
We're going to be doing about 90 minutes and doing about 10 to 15 miles.
All right. Well, hey, let's go.
All right.
All I can say, absolutely amazing time with Adventure Sports Innovation on this swim. I mean, I have been out in nature on trails, on ATVs, on horses, but I gotta say, this electric swim is my new all-time favorite, and you can't beat the backdrop here in Chattanooga. Look at me, look at Lookout Mountain.
Hey guys, this is Khaled Albana from Kip Restaurant. Welcome. We are cooking today the bronzino dish. We usually put it in a hot charcoal grill. We're gonna finish it with the tomato tahini. This dish is one of our guests' favorites. It's been with us since the start.
Wow, Chef, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this.
Hi there, this is Kip Restaurant. We're modern Levantine cuisine. My name is Raven, I'm our beverage director, and today I'm gonna be making one of our signature cocktails. It's called the Soleil Levant. I'm gonna use 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1/2 ounce of mezcal, 1/2 ounce of our house-made pomegranate syrup, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and then we're gonna use 3/4 ounce egg white. For my vegan friends, you can use aquafaba. Cheers, enjoy.
When you're downtown, you must visit the historic Chattanooga Choo. In addition to staying at the hotel, you can enjoy a variety of restaurants and entertainment.
Denella, welcome to Tennessee Aquarium. I'm so happy to have you here. We're going to visit some really awesome places today. Of course, for the main part of our tour, we're going to be feeding our biggest saltwater exhibit here at the aquarium. So we're going to see all those animals today, from a lot of different species of stingrays, like the spotted eagle ray, very beautiful, and many, many species of fish, from beautiful blue tangs to some big Bermuda chubs. We're about to head into one of our most popular exhibits here at the aquarium. It's going to be our exhibit with our penguins. So we got 2 species of penguins living in a colony here right now. We got our lovely macaroni penguins with their mohawks. And then we have our lovely Gentoo penguins that are just slightly bigger than them. And they're both native to Antarctica, although they can migrate to warmer waters depending on the time of year.
You don't have to come out to say hi. Hi. They can jump out of there, right?
They can.
He is getting a little bit too excited.
He's just happy to see you.
Hi. Hi.
Denella, welcome to Chattanooga. We're so happy to have you here.
Barry White. Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, I'm excited to be here. But how many times do you get questions about having the name Barry White?
Oh, every time, every time. Used to serve me well when I checked into a hotel, because they say, oh, we've got Mr. White upgraded to a suite.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't happen anymore,
right. Well, what's your favorite Barry White song?
Can't get enough of your love.
Oh yeah, that's a classic.
It's smooth.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So tell me a little bit about this amazing city, Chattanooga. How do you describe this city and the things to do?
It's just amazing. We have something for every age. Again, people who are in their 20s want to move here. Retirees want to move here. We've been recognized as top retirement destination. But yeah, young people are coming in, and it's really just about the outdoors and the natural resources that we have that are right here in our backyard.
Definitely. And you say young people are moving to Chattanooga.
Yes.
Chattanooga is on the list of 20-somethings.
Absolutely.
Wow.
It's big. It's and there's new residential coming in just specifically for that target group.
All right, all right. Let's go and check out your city by bike this morning.
Fantastic.
All right.
Love it.
My favorite instrument is the guitar, the acoustic guitar to be exact. And today, I'm at Songbirds Guitar and Pop Culture Museum.
They have a collection of vintage and rare guitars.
That transcend time. I can't wait to check it out. They have a collection of timeless guitars that transcend time.
Don't know how to feel. I'm stretching on it. Maybe I'll just chill. I got so much on my mind, but not enough time. Don't even know what to do, but I know that I'll be fine.
Reed, as I look around, this place is absolutely amazing. Tell me a little bit more about the museum, how you came up with the name and just the whole concept around it.
So Songbirds was a group effort for sure. There's a lot of people here in town, my board members, and a lot of people that just, they came together. We had a collection to work with of rare and vintage guitars. We wanted to put it in a museum. We built this place to be home to kind of show some of the guitars that the foundation owns. We also had some come on loan and things like that. But Songbirds is just a great title for it because these things really allow us to share music. It's a really great way to express yourself through music and through the guitar, and that's the way we see it, and that's why we think it's so important to share with the public.
Definitely. Now, I understand you also have a nonprofit arm.
Mm-hmm. Everything we do here is we're a nonprofit 501c3. So anything we do from concerts or merch, or if you come to the museum itself, all of that money, all the profits go back into supporting our Guitars for Kids program, which is a massive program. Every year we give away about 1,000 free guitars to kids all over the South. We started here in Chattanooga, obviously. We've given guitars to every middle and high school here in town, and now we've kind of started branching out.
The museum is amazing, and you guys keep doing the great work that you're doing for the kids.
Well, thank you. We will. We'll try our best to let kids be able to continue to rock for years to come.
Oh, smack your jaws around a little bit.
This looks good. What I got? What you got on here?
Some catfish, some whiting, and some perch.
How you make the cornmeal? Them three? What you put in them three? What's the three what?
Told you. All I can tell you is one is a yellow cornmeal, and then the other is some different things. That's all I can tell you. That's all.
All right. I'm gonna let you off the hook.
I'm sorry about that.
Since you don't want to give me a secret.
Bite one of them huskers. Just see if you just like that.
All right. What's this cornmeal? What's made with just 2 cornmeal in there? All right. It's a secret. It's a secret.
Like a big secret.
I like it. I like it a lot.
One of our things, our motto is that if you don't eat all the fish, we say you just got smacked. That's how we know. That's what our t-shirt says.
I love animals, so I had to stop by the Chattanooga Zoo to check out their world-famous red pandas. And I'm told it's the only zoo where you can even feed an anteater.
guys, Max Popple here, one of the co-owners of Flying Squirrel. We are located on the south side of downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee. We are your neighborhood bar and restaurant. We try to work with local farms to get the best produce that we can in here. And our bar program is there to match as well. Hey Denella, welcome. Come on in.
Hey, Max. Wow.
Yeah, come on, it's margarita time.
Oh, let's do it. I love a good margarita.
Hi, I'm Mitch Drennan. I'm a bartender here at the Flying Squirrel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my personal specialty drinks, which is a variation on a margarita, which is one of my personal favorites. We're going to use some of the ingredients that we like to use here in-house, and I'm going to show you today how to put that drink together. Of course, one of the first primary ingredients to a margarita is, of course, your lime juice. And we like to start with our least expensive ingredients first. Tequila, of course, is also important. We took agave nectar and we infused it with ginger. This liqueur right here is a curacao made with yuzu from Pierre Ferrand. Yuzu is a type of Japanese citrus. The last ingredient here is apricot de Roussillon, which is a French apricot liqueur. And on the rim of this glass here, we have dehydrated oranges with salt mixed in a 50-50 ratio.
Hi, my name is Jim Bambry. I'm the general manager here at the Reed House Hotel in Chattanooga. Our hotel is unique. It's 150 years old. We did a renovation about 5 years ago to make it look like it does now. They did a beautiful job making it feel like it's the 1920s, but still has the modern look and luxury of a new hotel. So, room 311 is famous for potentially being haunted. We've had several stories of people checking out in the middle of the night. Al Capone actually stayed in that room as well when he was being held over for tax evasion here in Chattanooga. But the stories are pretty unique. People have said the doors open by themselves, drawers open by themselves. I haven't seen it personally, but I'm not one to test that. So we want you to feel like you've stepped back into the 20s. We want you to feel like it's a 1920 hotel, but with the modern luxuries that we have today. I think the ownership did a great job a couple years ago when we did a renovation. It's got a great upbeat feel every day, and we try to treat each guest like their family.
I had a wonderful stay at the Reed House, and I loved the 1920 splendor.
I'm here at Sculpture Fields. This sprawling 33-acre park is a true masterpiece of creativity and culture. Let's go check out this internationally acclaimed park that's right here in Chattanooga's South Side.
Welcome to Ruby Falls, Denella.
Thank you, Morgan. I'm thrilled to be here.
Well, we're excited to have you here. You are in Ruby Falls Cave right now. So if you remember, we descended in the glass front elevator 260 feet into Lookout Mountain.
Wow.
Now, as we walked through the cave, we are 1,120 feet below the summit of the mountain. It is the tallest and deepest underground waterfall open to the public in the United States. So
Wow.
you're
Well,
about to see
I can
something.
definitely hear it. Yes. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see it.
Yes, we'll go right on it.
All right, let's go. Who knew all of this is right here in Chattanooga? It truly is one of America's most breathtaking cities. If it wasn't on your list of places to go, I sure hope it is now. I've had an amazing time here, but it's time for me to go because I'm off to my next destination.
Travel the world with Denella Ri'chard. Travel the world with Denella Ri'chard. Travel the world with Denella Ri'chard. Travel the world with Denella Ri'chard.